Welcome! In front of me I have Smartwatch DT93 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First, we need to turn on our watch. You can do it by pressing and holding the lower button. Once you see hello on the screen, you can release the button and wait. And after the watch turns on, you may see the list of languages on your screen. You can select the language right here, the language that you want to use on your watch. And you can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen, like this. Now find the language you want to use, select it by tapping on it. And once the language is selected, you can tap on this back button right here to go back, like this. Okay, so once the watch is turned on, we need to download and install the FitCloud Pro application on our phone. You can do it in two ways. You can either open the menu on your watch by swiping right on the screen, scroll down, tap on settings. In settings, find the option called QR code, and now you can scan the QR code with the camera of your phone, and then it should give you the link to download the application. Or you can open the Play Store on your phone, tap on search, type in FitCloud Pro and tap search. And here we have it, the FitCloud Pro application. Now let's tap on install button to install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on open to open it. Then tap on agree. And here we can do a couple of things. We can register an account if we need one. You can log in into an existing account if you have one. And you can also use the app without creating an account. I'm just gonna select the app, the use without account option, but if you select that option and then you remove the app, your data will be gone. So if you want to keep your data, you need to make an account to basically keep the data. Okay, I'm just gonna tap on use without account. Then we can set up the profile. And once you're done, you can tap on next. Here we can set up some goals like distance, calories and steps. And once you're done, you should see the screen. Also, I forgot to mention it, but make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled on your phone to pair the devices. So on mine it is enabled. And now let's tap on search. Let's allow the permission for the location, and other permission you can deny it or allow it. Depends what you like. I'm just gonna deny them and tap on search again. Apparently I need to allow the permissions, which is weird, but okay. Once you're done with the permission, you should see the list of devices. And here you can scroll down, find the Smartwatch 2CB, and then tap on connect to bind the devices. Now we can allow or deny some more permissions. Here I'm gonna tap on cancel, and once you're done with the permissions, you should see the home screen of the app. Now you can tap on device, and here we have the device page for our watch. And that means that the devices are paired. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.